This is Environmental Day in Pewee Valley. It's our third annual Environmental Day. We have elementary school children from 2 schools and homeschool children, approximately 60 children that'll be coming through. And they'll have interactive staging areas, 6 of them, where they'll be able to go around and experience what it takes to try to keep the environment clean. We'll start off with maybe the butterfly garden over here. Margaret Shea from Drop Seed Nursery will talk to them about how to build a butterfly garden and help pollinating insects come to your garden. The Kentucky Highway Department will have a display, interactive display. The Kentucky Division of Forestry will be here. Our tree board will be here, and you'll be able to help plant a tree and talk about the importance of trees to the environment. Greenhaven will be here with the arborist that'll be climbing a tree to show them what that's like. So it'll be a fun day. It lasts about an hour and a half.
The folks from Pewee Valley asked me to come out and talk a little bit about what I do as a forester for the Kentucky Division of Forestry, and just how we can promote sustainability of our forests and help the trees out and still be able to use them as a resource for long term. Like I was saying, one of the cool things about my job is I do get to see a lot of wildlife. I see a lot of deer and turkeys, squirrels and rabbits.
Is that a deer?
Yeah, this is a deer head that somebody found. There's a bug going on, a beetle called the emerald ash borer that's killing a lot of the ash trees. So long.
No, when you put that. I did that. Hello.
Yeah. Y'all know what kind of tree that is?
Hi, I'm Tracy Williams. I'm here representing the Environmental Board for the City of Pewee Valley. We used to be the Tree Board, but we're now the Environmental Board to really reflect our commitment for the soil, the air, and the water in our community. Educating the kids is one of our primary goals here today. We're coming up on the 50th anniversary of Earth Day, and this is a wonderful opportunity for us to demonstrate to our local students the things that they can do to help protect and conserve our environment.
We have a Kentucky coffee tree, which is a beautiful native tree to Kentucky, and we also have pecan trees, which give us pecan nuts.
We are going to teach the kids about wetlands and watersheds and what happens when it rains further up in a watershed and the kind of impact that that has on the rest of the watershed as far as flooding and that kind of thing goes. Well, there's been a lot more rain recently than there used to be, and so if rain is falling on, say, a parking lot, it will just sheet flow off quickly and too quick, and it can flood downstream. But if there are things like wetlands or detention basins upstream to control the flow of the water that is coming off upstream, then it can help prevent localized flooding downstream.
I think the wetlands do best.
Yeah, the wetlands.
And I think that's Lou's house. Oh, no, that's Dave's.
My name is Elizabeth Kuhn, and I'm with Drop Seed Native Plant Nursery. Today we are talking about the butterfly garden that we installed, I think, 2 years ago, and we're talking about the different plants that are in the garden and how they help the monarch population and other pollinators.
So the other thing we have with this garden is the milkweeds just flower midsummer. But we want to have food for the butterflies the whole growing season.
My name is Zachary Nyhoff, and I represent the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet, and I'm here today to talk about watersheds and the impact pollution has on our community. We have an interactive lesson. It's called the Enviroscape, where we actually simulate different pollutions, non-point and point source pollution, and how that can affect our community. And also we touch into different ways that students can, at home, make small, impactful changes to change their level of pollution.
We mentioned the waste over at the farm. We actually have waste in our yards. If you have a dog that runs outside and goes to the bathroom, you can pick up that waste.
The kids enjoy it, and we enjoy it, and we do this every year.